Every time you kill a dragon, an entire dragon falls on the village.
Okay, but I hit a Night Fury.
Night Fury! Get down!
Sorry, Dad.
Can you not see that dragon fall on the village?
I can't stop myself. I see a dragon and I have to just kill it, you know? It's who I am, Dad.
You're a dragon killer? Hiccup!
Okay, but I hit a Night Fury.
Stop. Oh, why? Hiccup!
You know, it's who I am, Dad.
Stop killing dragons. Hiccup!
Okay.
Get back to the house. Make sure he gets there.
Yes, I hit it! Did anybody see that?
What is he doing out again? What are you doing out?
Killing a dragon.
Get inside!
I can't stop myself. Okay, but I hit a Night Fury. Yes, I hit it!